Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these bright blue and green chevrons as the second design for Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using in today's marble are from Colors by Llarowe. The bright green is Bananas and Krispy Kremes are better than HBO. The turquoise, which I'll also be using as my base color, is Young Turks. And the navy is Baby It's Cold Outside. After I've got my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Well, now that I've got my bullseye built, I'm going to go ahead and draw down to the bottom, then up to the top. And then I'm going to start doing petals on this side. Once I'm done, I'm going to go back and draw in between each of those petals going in the opposite direction. For this design, there's plenty of room to dip 2 fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and get them lined up. See if I can get a good angle here. It's a little bit hard to show on camera sometimes, but basically line them up at whatever angle you want to the design, and then go ahead and dip in. Then you want to go ahead and clean off the surface of the water so that that doesn't stick on top of your design. And once the surface is clear, we're going to go ahead and pull slowly out. And there's the water marble. Next is removing the protection. Just go ahead and grab an edge of that tape and peel it off along with the liquid latex. And then I'm going to go ahead, water marble all my nails, and then move on to the closer cleanup. Once you've finished cleanup, can go ahead and finish with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I think these are just phenomenal. This is actually not the original design I was planning to do with these colors, but I really like how the chevrons turned out. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. Be sure to stay tuned all this month for more water marbles. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.